Same closure, same stitching method, but different price. Same wig construction. Look at it. 5 by 5. Okay, this brand here, Arena. This one here, same 5 by 5. But I'll tell you the difference. Now you can't spot the difference. Look at the two of them. Or can you spot the difference? Hey guys, you welcome to the channel. My name is Princess Lovely. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you affordable factory wigs that you can start your hair business with. Now, if you're someone that is going into your business or you're already into your business and looking for affordable hair you want to start with, you don't want to sell blend hairs, you want to start with human hair, okay? Or you are selling blend hairs, you want to sell blend hairs, but you want affordable human hairs. You can merge with the blend hairs, start your hair business with. I got it covered in this video. I'm also showing you affordable human hairs and packet hairs, okay? You can also start with, and of course I'm showing you the pros and the cons of factory wigs, okay? So you get to look out for these particular things when you're going to the factory wigs business. If you don't subscribe yet, you have to subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments, share this video, guys. Please share the video to your friends and your loved ones, and let's get right into it. Let's start with bob wig. Now this is a factory bob wig, okay, in burgundy mixed with black roots. Look at how beautiful this bob wig is. So if you don't want to go through the stress of getting pocket hairs, wigging them, styling them, factory wig have done all of this for you. So it is stress free. So all you have to do is you get these hairs from the pack, right? They are already packaged for you. They save you cost, right? You get this hair already packaged like this, and you just sell to your client. Or if you want to go an extra mile, you could style this hair because they don't come perfectly styled. So you don't have to style this hair. Okay, that's the only job you have to do. Style the hair, package, and sell. So this is a bob wig in burgundy color. I actually love burgundy color. I don't know about you, but I always do love burgundy color because the color just pop out. Like I can see I'm putting on the burgundy wig, right? I love burgundy color, my favorite color of all. So for entire wig, you can see how beautiful this is. Look at the hairline, okay? These are things you look out for. The hairlines of your hair matter a lot. Look at how beautiful the hairline is. So natural. You can see how beautiful this is. So natural. So you want to make sure you check out the frontals of your hair if they are well and neatly ventilated. So look at this, guys. Let me show you guys. You can see how beautiful this hairline is. It feels like your natural human scalp. Okay, the other colors of bob wig you might also want to look out for, like natural black color. Natural black color. Look at this natural black color bob wig. Okay, the quality is amazing. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at the quality. Always look out for quality. Always look out for quality. I don't know if you can see this. Look at how silky. All bob wigs are not the same, guys. All factory bob wigs are not the same. Okay, some bob wigs, the quality is really, really low. So most times you might see her end up telling you, oh, my bob wig is 50,000 naira, for instance. Why someone might tell you my bob wig is actually 25,000 naira? And you think, ah, but it's the same bob wig, the same inches. It is not always the same. It is not always the same. Most times, some factory bob wigs, the closure bend is terrible. The quality of their hairs is terrible. They might even claim that they're both human hair, but most times some factory bob wigs are mixed with really, really bad, as in really, really bad hair. They will mix with, so you might see brown and black mixed together in the same wig, or you might see what's it called? You might see a very strong, strong synthetic hair sometimes. Yes. So always check out for the quality. See how fine and how neat. You aren't seeing any big knot or any spacing, or you can see. And look at the quality, guys. Look at how soft. Look at how soft this feels. Look at how soft this feels. Some bob wigs or some factory bob wigs do not come like this. So be mindful of, oh, the hair is cheap here, the hair is cheap here. Check the quality, and if the quality is good and it's cheap, fine. Okay, it's not about cheap. It's not about the hair is cheap. Check the quality. Does it have longevity? Is it going to last for your clients? Your client receive the hair, will they love it? They love the texture. Or are you getting a blend hair mixed with human hair as a human hair bob wig for a cheap price? Okay, I told you my last video, don't look for cheap things. Get quality. This is plain burgundy. Okay, plain burgundy in 12 inches, plain burgundy in 10 inches, and the vents, like I told you, top notch. So, and check the length of the hair. I'll show you guys how to check for the length of it to know if it's accurate, because sometimes some factory with them I tell you it's 12 inches and they give you 10 inches. You can see it's a very long 12 inches. You can see it's a very long 12 inches. And same for curly hair. Look at how beautiful this hair is. Like this is the 4x4 bob coily units. You can see the closure veins, the quality of the hair. Look at how beautiful the coils are. Look at how full the coils are. These are things you look out for in your hairs. Don't buy a coily hair, buy the hair is long and it's scanty at the tip. Okay, so I would advise you. So if you're selling bob hair, coily hairs or straight hairs, especially for straight hairs, go for double drawn or SDD. Look at how fine. Look at how full. You can see the tip of the hair because the bob coily hair and how nice the closures are. These are things you should look out for. For bob wig. Can you see this? Okay, this is quality, guys. Look at this. Just look at it. I'm showing this here so that you get to understand what a good factory wig looks like. Almost like people say, oh, factory wigs are bad because they end up buying bad factory wigs. So when you buy bad factory wigs, you end up comparing like them as well. That factory wigs are bad. When you know your ways about factory wigs, you will not be a victim of bad factory wigs. Quality is just still quality. Look at this is you can see the silkiness in this hair. You can see the luscious in the strands of this hair, and it's actually affordable. Is how a factory wig looks like. It comes with several combs. I think about four combs on each side, the top, the bottom, the left, the right, and very nice, neatly wigged. Now this one is cheaper in price than this one. Now a supplier might tell you, oh look at my one is cheaper, my one is cheaper, but there are things that are standard. You don't know the things to look out for, giving a very low quality hair. This one, like I said, is cheaper in price than this one. But looking at the two of them, you can't spot the difference. They are same closure. Look at them. Same closure, same closure, 5x5 closure, same full volume. You can see. In fact, I don't say so it don't feels more fuller. Though I haven't scaled yet, but just looking at it, you can see. I mean, they are both SDT. You can see how full it is. You can see how full the both of them. So now, what is the difference? What is the difference? I'll tell you. Okay, so these are things you look out for. One, the hair quality of this is lower. It's a human hair. They are both 100% human hair. They are both 100% human hair. But the quality of this particular human hair is lower than this one. This one accepts it though. They both accept it. They can be called, you can do anything you do to human hair with these two hairs. But this one is of lower quality. If you're someone that knows hair very well, when you touch the quality of this particular hair, when you feel this hair, okay, and when you feel this hair, you would know that yes, of a true, this is of higher quality than this one. See that slant pattern at this particular edge? Hmm? It's a low ventilation. It's not a pro, or should I say it's not a professional ventilation. I think that's the word. Unlike this particular one, this is neatly ventilated. You can see. Like I said, the texture of the hair, the quality of the hair differs, the ventilation of the closure differs. So when you're saying one way, say, mine is cheaper, mine is cheaper. Go and check the quality of the hair. Go and check the closure vents. You want to sell cheaper hairs, you get cheaper affordable hairs, right? And you don't mind, then you can always go for slow grade human hair quality. But if you want luxury, you want to sell good quality, like I mean, you want to sell luxury quality, you don't mind the cost, right? Then always look out for see, just by feeling this hair, I can feel the softness, the lushness of this quality. Like they've not been starred, but just by feeling the hair, I can feel the quality compared to like the way it feels in my hand. Right? It is different from the way this one feels in my hand. I can tell you for a fact. So while I go ahead and pack the hairs, right, I'm just going to be talking to you about the silver packet hairs that you might want to start with if you're on a budget. Okay, so I'll show you right now. So guys, this is E Beauty. It is 100% human hair. So if you want that very budget friendly, affordable packet hair in human hair quality, I would recommend E Beauty. Okay, it comes from about 10 inches to 30 inches long. Okay, it comes in 4 bundle but doesn't come with a closure, so you need to get a closure for it, possibly a company closure, or you can actually ventilate your closure from it. But I would advise you get a company closure. Now it is sold for, I think 10 inches should be around 25,000 naira, so it is not even up to 30k. It's a very affordable human hair. So if you want to go into human hair, that's one go to hair you want to go for, and it's also available in body wave and straights. Okay, the next pack is called Mary Queen. Now this one I call it small but mighty. Okay, it comes in 10 inches. It is 100% human hair coily unit. Okay, I've made this hair into different hairstyle. I've made it as a fringe wig, even as a closure wig, and it comes out really, really nice. Very water friendly, okay? Very water friendly. I think aside the natural black, the see how it's in Bugandi, tea Bugandi. It is really nice for a budget. If you want to sell a budget, affordable human hair. I think back then in those years, I used to buy it for about I think less than 20K. But I don't know how much it is sold right now because it's been a very long time. But what I'll do is this. I'll confirm the price and I'll post it on my Facebook page. And I also post it on my community tab here on YouTube. So do well to always follow and like every post here on YouTube. So guys, the next brand is called Myline. Okay, I'll put the picture of the name on the screen for you to see. It's a very affordable human hair quality packet hair. Available in curly units, in straight, in body wave, in deep wave, in jerry coil. Very affordable human hair quality. So if you're going for budget friendly affordable human hair, this brand is a good, so the quality is really really amazing. Comes in about 10 inches to I think about 16, 18. The price on the video, or I'll just post them on the community tab. Really really nice, 100% human hair, water friendly and very budget friendly. So guys, I hope you found this hair business tip really really helpful. Do well to like this video, share, follow for more, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Stay blessed.